In this video, I will show you how to create your Netlify account and deploy your website. First off, if you don't have an account already, let's simply sign up to make a new account, and that is by clicking here on the top right. Once here, we have the options to sign up with GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket, or using an email. Let's say I will sign up with an email. It will take us to this page and we'll simply have to enter the email that we'll be using and creating a password. There are some requirements on the password, so just take note of that. Now, once we click on sign up, we'll simply have to verify an email, and once we click on verify email, it will take us to the Netlify with a notification that the email is now verified. So we simply input our name, what we're using Netlify for. Let's just go for personal, and let's say we are using web app. Let's say we're going for documentation. These are all required fields, so let's simply put everything and then click on continue to deploy. Now, if you have your project over at these platforms, then of course you can connect that with Netlify. In my case, I will go for Netlify drop so I can upload my site from here, and let me upload a file. Alright, click on upload, and this is a sample website. Simply get started, and here we go. Our sample website is now online. We can do other configuration here as well, but that is all that you have to do now. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.